The MotoAlliance DENALI 72-inch UTV Snow Plow feels impressively stout, with a thick steel blade and rear bracing that shrug off hard-packed snow and hidden obstacles. Its full kit design means you get the blade, universal mounting hardware, push tubes, skid feet, wear bar, rubber flap, and markers in one box, so you are not chasing extra parts to get started. The universal mounting system is genuinely versatile, making it straightforward to adapt this plow to a wide range of side-by-side machines without odd workarounds. With multiple blade angle positions and a thoughtfully steep attack angle, it rolls snow forward efficiently and clears wide paths in fewer passes. The rubber flap and tall blade profile help keep snow from blowing back onto the windshield, which is especially noticeable when tackling deeper drifts at higher speeds. Designed by a long-established off-road company in the United States, the plow is easy to assemble, backed by knowledgeable support, and clearly built to handle years of harsh winter use.